Hello and welcome to Chris Mel FPV, and here we are at a middle school on a very breezy afternoon, and I'm going to test fly the newly cut Pickle EVO2 Mark III that I cut on my 3018 CNC. Alright, here we have it. I went ahead and put a 16x16 stack in there from FullSpeed, the FSD412, I believe, with a 12 amp ESC. The motors are from Happymodel, and they are the 1203 6200 kV on tri-blade 3-inch. I have TBS Crossfire along with the SucceX 300 milliwatt VTX with a cheap old dipole on there. And we're going to bottom mount a 3S battery and do some rippage. The camera I'm using on this one is the Caddx Loris 4K, so we can get some good HD out of this bad boy. Let's go. Alright, here we are. I got a 450 mAh 3S LiPo on there, and we got the Caddx Loris 4K recording. Let's take it up. We'll get close here so you can hear me ramble about it. I just put a new tune on here, the VEVOR toothpick tune. We'll see how this runs. Super strong winds. Seems to be doing okay though. It's flying better than the stock tune I had on earlier. I'm still getting a little shakes at low throttle, and with this heavy wind, I think it's handling a lot better. Yeah, it's going to be hard to tell, but I'm liking it. She's running real well. Yeah. Oh, I'm loving this little thing. Especially since I was able to cut it myself. That is a strong tailwind there. Car, tree. Not having a problem with that 300 milliwatt VTX. A little bit way out here, but I'm turning the wrong way. Wow. Just throwing that toothpick tune on for UAV Tech is amazing. This thing is flying 1,000 times better than the stock Betaflight tune, and I've got the latest Betaflights on here. Oh, look at that. Oop, tree. Woo. Aha. Man, it's just a rock solid. Getting a little video vibration, probably because I already broke an arm. In my testing, before getting a good tune on it, I slammed it pretty hard into a tree and turned one of the arms into rubber. So I used super glue, sealed it all back together. She's doing just fine. This wind is brutal. I believe this is a Tattoo 450 3S. Ready to come in with this wind. Got a car coming in. We'll wait to cross the road. Oh no, they're pulling in. Let's follow them. Snoop onto them as they snoop onto you. cameo for the landing. We're still at 359, so not too worried. It's windy and a mofo out here. Windy! So windy. So it's hard for the tune to figure out whether it's the wind, the tune, the half broken arm, my beat up props, the overweight battery. I don't know! Alrighty, this time I've got the CNHL 650 MAW 3S 70C. All right, and there we are, some good test flights with the Pickle EVO2 Mark III that I cut on the 3018 CNC that I purchased at Walmart.com. So I am extremely happy how this is going so far and look forward to some more flights with this bad boy. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.